Meaning of imperishable.
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 Imperishable. The term imperishable refers to something that is indestructible, impervious to decay, and will never wear away or disintegrate over time. It describes a state of being that is timeless and enduring, resistant to the forces of nature and immune to the ravages of age. This quality can be attributed to physical objects, such as precious metals or gemstones, or to abstract concepts like love, wisdom, or truth. In essence, imperishability represents the highest form of durability and longevity, embodying the essence of permanence and eternal existence.